Find a place where you can be still. You might choose to sit in a chair with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your thighs. Or perhaps you prefer to lie down, letting your arms fall naturally to your sides. It doesn't matter what you are wearing or exactly how you are positioned. What matters is that you are here. The only requirement is your presence. In this quiet space, give yourself permission to simply exist. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let us start by being aware of ourselves. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself to be present. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Now, focus on your face. Move your focus to your right arm, from shoulder to your fingers. Now your left arm, from shoulder to fingers. Pay attention to your right leg, starting from hip and moving towards feet. Now your left leg, starting from your feet and back to your hips. Gently shift your internal gaze toward your breathing. Don't try to change it yet, just acknowledge it. Direct your entire focus to the very entrance of the breath, the nostrils. Notice the crispness of the air as it enters. It is cool, fresh, and full of potential. As it leaves, notice the change. Notice how it has been warmed by your body. Feel the subtle friction of the air against the delicate lining of your nose. Is the breath smooth? Is it jagged? Don't judge it. Just observe it as if you are a scientist watching a natural wonder. Follow the air as it travels downward. Feel it glide past the back of your throat. A cool stream flowing into the center of your being. Feel the ribs expanding outward in all directions. To the front, the sides, and even into your back. Imagine your chest is like a bellows, moving with a steady, ancient rhythm. With every inhale, you are gathering energy. With every exhale, you are releasing what is no longer needed. Be grateful for this breath. It is the most basic sign of life. Many find that this rhythm brings them closer to the divine. A constant connection to the source of existence. Breath is life. It is the anchor that keeps you in the present moment. If you find your mind wandering, simply slow down with love. Be a gentle observer of your own experience. Acknowledge them. Let them pass like clouds in the sky, and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Now shift your attention down to your abdomen. Observe how it rises and falls. Do not force a pace. Do not try to breathe better. Just let the breath breathe itself. You may find yourself entering a state of deep relaxation. Whether you are breathing through your nose or your mouth, stay with the sensation. If you feel a distraction in your body, notice it without judgment or anger. Then softly return your attention to your anchor, the breath. Continue to stay with this rhythm for a few more moments. Feel the stillness you have created within yourself. Slowly begin to expand your awareness. Feel the air against your skin. Listen to the faint sounds in the room around you. Open your eyes, bringing the life of the breath back into your extremities. Carry this stillness with you into the rest of your day, knowing that your breath is always there to anchor you.